Hello local business owners. So in this video we will learn what's the difference between a Geo Hub page and a location page. So here's the all the content. We'll learn about the Geo Hub page and location page. So aspect purpose. So Geo Hub page purpose is focuses on targeting specific paving or asphalt services. So specific area, okay, so like as a neighborhood or suburb in Maryland. And location phase is highlight a border service as like as a city or a country. So you have phase target area, so micro target is specific neighborhoods. On the other hand, location page target macro target is city or largest region. Okay, so Geo Hub page focuses on a specific services offered in selective area. On the other hand, location page generally highlights all paving also services available from the business in the particular location or region. So content depth. So Geo Hub page content will be more services specific and also more location specific. On the other hand, location page broader content covering all services offered at the location, often functioning as a business overview. So Geo Hub page SEO keywords are hyper local, focusing on services plus location like as driveway paving 1000 MD. On the other hand, location page keyword focus more broadly. Okay, so the main thing is Geo Hub page is a very specific and narrow targeted area. On the other hand, location page is targeted broad target area. So also we can see here a call to action and SEO benefits. So you have is SEO benefit is help capture long tail local search, and on the other hand, location based support ranking for more general local searches covering a wide area and broader range of services. Also here local authority content length. So what we learn this video from this video. So the main thing is you have page for those business owners who are small and targeted a city with and a specific highlights. So when we target a city and he run his business a specific city, and then he should create and optimize Geo Hub page. So one city so under one city he will create more than 10 to 15 Geo Hub pages. And the location page is for the larger or big business owners who provide the services not only one cities but also like 2 to 3 cities or a country or a state. So when so for small business owners, Geo Hub page is a very ideal pages for targeting a specific area, and for big business owners, location fees is fit for their running business. So thanks for watching this video. Hope all the paving and also contractor understand the difference between Geo Hub page and location page. By the way, if you have any question, you can ask on the comment, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video.